Morning students, today we are going to read chapter Birds That Can't Fly. So first of all, first is here ostrich. Ostrich, it is the largest, heaviest and fastest living bird. It can run at a speed of up to 70 km per hour. It cannot fly and can live up to 40 years. Okay, but ostrich is the largest, heaviest and the fastest living bird. It cannot fly but it can run at the speed of 70 km per hour and its life is of 40 years. Anatomy. Anatomy means बच्चे study of the structure of the animals or human body. So here we will read the structure about the structure of their bodies. Height up to 9 feet. The ostrich, this height is up to 9 feet and its weight is 156 kilogram. They have biggest eyeballs. Eyeballs means that eyes cover upside, which are 2 inches, it means 5 centimeter across. Next is emu. Emu is the second largest living bird by height and native to Australia, where it is the largest bird. Native means born or reared to Australia, where it is the largest bird and it is the largest bird of Australia. Anatomy. Speed 50 km per hour. It can run. It cannot fly. It can only run up to 50 at the speed of 50 km per hour and its height is 6.2 feet and its weight is 50 kg. Next is बचे cassowary is the third largest, tallest and the second heaviest living bird in the world. It is native to tropical forest of New Guinea, Molucca Island and Australia. It is often called the world's most dangerous bird. Okay, it is the third tallest and the second heaviest living bird and it is born to tropical forest of New Guinea and Molucca Island and Australia and it is the world's most dangerous bird. Anatomy. 5 to 6 feet tall, although some females may reach to 6.6 feet. Mostly they are 5 to 6 feet tall, but some females are there, and their height is 6.6 feet. Their weight is 60 kg. Claws means feet that are 5 inches long. It can run at speed of up to 50 km per hour and it can also jump up to 5 feet. Okay, बच्चे, these all the birds, they cannot fly, they can only run and they run at a high speed. Rhea. Rhea is a flightless. Flightless bird means it cannot fly. Native to South America, born to South America. It is grassland bird and prefers open land. It is a grassland bird means it loves to live at a grass and it is prefer open land means it prefer the open land to move. Anatomy. It has long legs and long neck. Large males can weigh up to 40 kg. Okay, so this is a bird Rhea and it has a long legs and a long neck. Next is penguin. All of you have seen penguins. So it is a flightless bird means without fly, but they are excellent swimmers, but they can swim very well. There are 17 species of penguin. They have shining waterproof feathers. The largest emperor penguin is up to 3.7 feet tall and weight up to 30 kg. Anatomy. Males and females look very similar. It means males and females, both penguins look similar. All have a big head, short thick neck, teeny flipper wings. Flipper means flat arms. They all live in the southern hemisphere, or that is called south of the equator. They can found in southern hemisphere. Kiwi. Kiwi is a flightless bird and it's recognized as an icon. Icon means symbol of New Zealand. Its size is that of a chicken. It means it is the size of the chicken and lives in pairs. Always live in pairs means in a pair of two. In a two. Lifespan is about 40. It means The maximum life is there is 40 years. Anatomy: long and pointed bill, brown rough feathers, wings 2 inches, no tail, height is only 1 feet, 18 and 35 inches long, weight is only 1.25 kilogram to 4 kilogram. Okay, thanks.